Hi, welcome to the video how to do journal entries. In this video, we will learn how to do journal entries with examples. Let's start. To do correct journal entries, it is necessary that you know the correct rules. There are simple rules to do right journal entries. First rule is when asset increase, debit the asset. And when asset decrease, credit the asset. Similarly, when liability increase, credit the liability, and when liability decrease, debit the liability. So it is opposite. For instance, when income arise, credit the income, and when expense occurs, debit the expense. There are also rules for capital and drawing. When new capital introduced, credit the capital, and when there is drawing by proprietor, debit the drawing. Let's move to the examples. First example is Mr. Joe purchases furniture worth $1,000. Now, first step is recognize the accounts involved. In these transactions, there are two accounts, furniture and bank, because we have made payment through bank. So, asset is furniture and furniture balance is increasing. So, we will debit furniture for $1,000 and by same amount bank is decreasing. So, I have credited here. Full entry is furniture account debit to bank account $1,000. If you have any question for the subject, you can ask me through comments under the video. Second transaction is Mr. Joe sells bags on cash $10,000. In this case, Mr. Joe has made cash sale. So Mr. Joe is receiving cash. Bank balance is increasing, so I have debited here bank account debit 10,000 rupees and income is credited by 10,000 rupees. Entry is bank account debit to sales account $10,000. Mr. Joe pays salary worth 300. Now salary is expense, so we will debit salary and bank balance of Mr. Joe will reduce, so we will credit bank. Entry is salary account debit $300 to bank account $300. Next transaction is Mr. Joe deposits 2,500 in bank. Now in this transaction two assets are involved, bank account and cash account. So we will debit which is increasing and credit the asset which is decreasing. In this case, balance of bank account is increasing, so we will debit bank account and cash account is decreasing, so we will credit cash. Entry is bank account debit to cash $2,500. Next transaction is Mr. Joe sells bags to Mr. Happy on credit worth 500. Now, when we sells anyone on credit, so other party becomes debtor of the business. Debtor is asset, so we will debit asset account Mr. Happy account debit by 500 and sales is income, so we will credit sales account Mr. Happy account debit to sales account by $500. Next transaction is Mr. Joe purchases bags from Miss Mary on credit worth $1,200. Now it is necessary to make purchase in business and Mr. Joe has purchased on credit from Miss Mary. So Miss Mary is creditor of the business and purchase is expense. So when expense increases, so we will debit expense by $1,200 and we will credit account of Miss Mary by $1,200. So entry will be purchase account debit $1,200 to Miss Mary account $1,200. Mr. Joe receives from Mr. Happy 4,090 on full settlement. Now Mr. Joe has given $10 discount to Mr. Happy. Discount is expense, so we will debit discount. Our bank balance is increasing, so we will debit $4,090 and the account of Mr. Happy will be closed through crediting his account $500. So entry will be bank account debit 4,090, discount account debit $10 and to Mr. Happy account $500. If you want to learn more in accounting, you can join my video course in accounting. Already 1,300 students already registered from 1,011 countries. So I am really proud of it and I want that you also get benefit of this course. To join this course, you can click link below given in the description. You can get 50% discount if you are joining today. Thanks and we will meet again in next video.